Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a RedNote profile. Really easy and simple. First, come here at the bottom right, you'll see your profile icon where it says me. Click on that. Now you'll see a bunch of options. What you mainly need to click on is profile, okay? Click on profile and you will see a bunch of different options. You can come here and change your name. Okay, you can change your bio if you want. Just click on this. Remember, you can only change it once in 7 days. So be careful if you actually want to change it and what you're changing it to. You can change your bio anytime you want. Basically 3 times in 7 days. Really easy and simple. Go ahead and change this. And let me add another emoji right there. Click on save. Boom. So you can change your gender if you want to do that as well. If you want to publicly display your gender, you can do that. You can click there. Show gender. Toggle that on. You can choose a birth date. I will choose my birth date to be, let's do 2000 January 1st. And then we will go ahead and save. And we are showing this on our profile. That's okay. You can also go ahead and show your constellation if you want. You can go ahead and show your age. Let me go back. Now you can also choose your job if you want. You can go choose your job. Now these are written in Chinese. What you can easily do though is you can take a screenshot of this and then open up Google Lens and translate it. But for now, I'm just gonna hop out of here. You can of course add your location, background, photo, and education as well. Let me add a background photo. Let me do this one right here as our background. Perfect. That will look nice on my profile, right guys? So we'll keep that and then I will go ahead and press back. It is still uploading that as my background photo. So you can basically keep customizing everything. If you want to change your profile picture, all you want to do is come click on this plus icon right here. And you can either upload an avatar or you can create an AI avatar. So I'm just going to click on upload a new avatar right here. And let me scroll down and find an image. All right, guys, what we'll do, we'll use this guy right here and I will go ahead and press confirm. And it will basically be uploading that image to our profile. Actually, let me add this guy. This looks really good. So we'll do this, press next, and now it's currently uploading on my profile. And once it's done uploading, when I refresh, you're going to go ahead and see it there. And as you can see, you can also see my gender right now. And as you can see, guys, my profile photo has been updated. Really that easy and simple, guys.